I used to feel overwhelmed each time I am learning Python. I don't know why. Is it because I started with HTML? Is it because HTML doesn't look like Python? I don't know. Each time I am typing Python code, I keep typing, but I don't understand anything. I can't understand what I am doing. Is it because, I started with front end? If you have been in my channel, you will know how I switched to Python. I started with front end. I've learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So I don't know. Is it that HTML looks like what you build immediately and you see the result immediately? Is it the problem, and what is confusing me right now? Because I keep creating hello world, but my problem is, what is that hello world doing? What is it doing? What is print hello world? What is the work? I don't know, but each time I ask ChatGPT will tell me that print hello world tells the computer to print hello world. But I am confused because in HTML, if you want to create button, you press less than button and the VS Code will help you and complete it. Then that's just simple. And you see a button, if it's a like button or subscribe button, you see it immediately. But Python, I don't know. I don't know how it works. I'm just feeling confused, and I don't know, should I leave Python because I don't understand it. I am feeling overwhelmed each time I am learning it because I don't even understand where is it even moving to. Like, what is the work of print hello world? Right now I am confused and I keep on watching tutorials without understanding anything. And please, if you are also learning Python and you are feeling the same problem that I'm feeling, or you know more better, please, I will need your help in the comment section. You can drop a comment and also let me know how you feel each time you are learning Python. If you have been in my channel, you know that I switched from front end to back end because I want to become a machine learning engineer. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you on the next video. I'll be sharing my tech journey in this channel, all my progress, problem, and all my wins in this channel. I'm a front-end developer. I've learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but eventually I switched to Python because of I want to become ML engineer, that's machine learning engineer in the future. I will see you in the next video. Please, if you are also having the same issue I'm having, I would like to see you in the comment section because I am feeling down. Like, I'm down in me right now, and I might need your help. Maybe you can help me out. Peace and love, and I will see you in the next video.